Apple is reportedly all set to reveal its first foldable smartphone this year, but the iPhone Ultra is touted to look different from the bendable phones we're used to. Newly leaked images make it easier to picture what the actual device will look like. The edge-to-edge outer screen features a centered circular cutout for the front-facing camera, a first for Apple. The camera on the internal display is pushed far to the left, and the back sports a distinctive horizontal camera bar housing a dual camera setup. The device will feature a passport-like, squat and wide wallet design that folds horizontally rather than like a clamshell flip phone. Is expected to launch alongside the iPhone 18 Pro lineup in September. The leaked case renders showcase the iPhone Ultra from multiple angles. The device is shown in a black finish based on the images. The foldable appears to feature a familiar dual camera setup housed inside a camera module reminiscent of the iPhone Air design. Early dummy configurations lack magnetic alignment arrays for wireless charging. The Apple iPhone Fold will have a notepad-like design with a 7.8-inch internal display and a 5.5-inch external display. Will pack an Apple A20 Pro chipset paired with high-capacity RAM and around 256 GB internal storage, including a 48MP primary shooter and a 48MP ultra-wide-angle shooter. A battery with a capacity around 5,500 mAh, along with eSIM support, suggests a price starting at around $2,000, with some reports placing it between $2,100 and $2,300. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.